Have you ever stopped to ponder just how deeply mathematics is woven into the very fabric of our existence? A universal language that transcends cultural and societal boundaries, mathematics is the secret code that underlies the world around us. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore this intricate world, breaking down complex mathematical concepts into bite-sized, digestible pieces. Buckle up as we dive headfirst into the infinite universe of numbers, equations, and logic. Mathematics, at its core, is a language. Just as we use words to frame our thoughts and convey our ideas, mathematicians use numbers and symbols to describe abstract concepts, solve problems, and predict outcomes. Even the simple act of buying groceries involves an array of mathematical operations, from addition and subtraction to percentages and ratios. Yet mathematics is not merely a tool, it is a living, breathing entity that evolves and grows with time. It is a language that speaks of patterns, symmetry, and logic. It whispers about the rhythm of the universe, the spirals in a seashell, the arc of a thrown ball, the growth of a tree, and even the structure of the internet. Now let's delve a little deeper. Algebra, geometry, calculus. These are not just subjects in a textbook. They are different dialects of the mathematical language, each with its unique grammar and vocabulary. Algebra, for instance, is a language of symbols and equations. It allows us to express relationships and solve problems that range from the simple to the complex. It's the language we use to decipher the mysteries of the universe, to predict the movement of planets, and to understand the nature of light and sound. Geometry, on the other hand, is the language of shapes and spaces. It helps us understand the world in 3 dimensions. It's the language architects use to design buildings, artists use to create perspective, and GPS systems use to calculate distance and direction. Calculus, the language of change and motion, enables us to predict how things evolve over time. It's the language that engineers use to design cars and planes, economists use to model markets, and physicists use to understand the nature of the universe. As we navigate through our lives, we continuously use these languages, often without realizing it. They help us make sense of the world around us, solve problems, and make decisions. To wrap up, mathematics is more than just a subject taught in schools. It's a universal language that helps us understand and navigate the world around us. It's a language of patterns, relationships, and change. It's a language that speaks of the rhythm of the universe, the beauty of nature, and the complexity of our modern world. So the next time you come across a mathematical equation or a geometric shape, remember that you're looking at a piece of the universal language of mathematics, the secret code that underlies the world around us. Remember, mathematics is not just about numbers and equations, it's about understanding the world, making sense of the complex, and finding beauty in the seemingly mundane. It's a language that speaks to us all if only we're willing to listen.